RP Kaduan Flash Report.
First response test. Isolate BWC ICPO. BWC ICPO and NVIDIA. Kahit BWC lang muna. Kasi marami na tayong BWC. Skylight, cruises, cruiser 60 control. Huwag muna tayo mag-check. May response test tayo. Send units to location. Corner San Juan, Santa Magdalena Street, Ledesma, La Paz, Iloilo City. Copy? Start time. Simula yung time natin nung nag-copy na siya. Kasi na-receive na nila yung information. Sonic Mic 2. If yung monitor, hanapin nyo yung bahay na kulay ng gate is puti. Tama yan. Kapatid nyo, hanapin nyo si Linda. Kapatid nyo yung tinta. Harap nyo sa camera, hanapin nyo. Yan. Responding units, if you monitor, render salute to our community members, to our chairman, here in IC3. You render salute. Carry on, response test number 2, send units to Barangay Hall, San Vicente, Aro, Iloilo City. Code 2. Copy nila no? Receive na yung call, ma'am. Time starts. Receive na yung call. Number 2. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. May nakarating na. Number 2. Ano na natin dyan kung 30 minutes na? 10 seconds na yan. Maraming salamat po muli sa operator. Thank you po sa suporta. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Good job. Congratulations. Naguyang team. Back to your locations, SBY areas. Napatunayan natin yung ICPO. Kaya yung 5-minute response. Before going to 9/11, if you want, barangay tayo. Joke box, Cruiser 6. Prepare for response test. Joke box. Send units to location. Casa Lucila. Ano? Send units code 2. Copy. Time. Lucila. Get up. 2 minutes. Yeah, monitor here, monitor. Your response time is in 2 minutes and Vegas. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. You can call 911 on your phone. Press 1 for police assistance, press 2 for emergency, press 3 for disaster.
Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Mayroong nagkagulo dito sa harapan ng Resort Security Technology na Past Security Response. Location is Past University, Research Institute of Technology, Borgo Street, La Paz, University.
Monitor niyo yan kung mamonitor niyo si Carlson na yun naman. Napatawag. Ito na. Hindi yan? Ha?
Yes, sir.
Ito na? Yung police station, sir. Tatawag dyan, magkataka yan. Gulo. Tatawagin ka na.
Hindi na.
Yeah.
Basta.
Hindi niya siya bisa sa next lang.
That's correct. We are just testing your response time via proceeds. Dito sa Philgar. Thank you very much for your response time. 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Palakpakan natin yung nagpili natin.
Mga kababayan, huwag nyo nang hanapin ang mga pulis sa presinto sapagkat kami ay nasa inyo ng mga telepono. Dial 911, darating kami sa loob ng 5 minuto.